Hello everyone, and look what the cat dragged home. My next victim. This is a 1970 ct90H, and let's take a look here at this condition. Nice and crusty. You gotta love that wiring. Looks like we're gonna have to order a new harness for this. Somebody had fun with this bike. It's gonna need a little bit of everything. What's wrong with this picture? Makes you wonder what in the hell happened to this. How in the world did you manage to melt that? And what I'm going to try to do is put this in boiling water, straighten out what I can. You know, looks like I have a rail 9. Yep. See what that looks like when it's done. And I'm trying to think. What kind of a wacky wiring system is this? Interesting brake light switch. I know that's definitely not original. I've had these bikes in the 70s, and that is not original, that's for sure. Ooh, I love this welding. Yeah, interesting. Love the seat, nice. I have a spare seat, so I can go ahead and replace that. This should be interesting. Got to get a fender, rubber fork boots, and a few other odds and ends. Here's a basket that came with it. Well, this is part 1, so it'll be interesting to see what this bike looks like when it's done. Nice, it'll be interesting. All right, I'll enjoy the video, and I'll get back to you with part 2 after we get it cleaned up. I'm going to tear it apart though first, pull the engine, and allow me to clean it up, yank all that wiring out of there, order a new harness for it, and go from there. But taking it apart makes it easier to clean. And it's amazing the stupid things people do or don't have skills working on a bike. You think, what are they doing? What were they thinking? Yeah, all right. That'll do it for part 1. See you on part 2.